The biggest challenge in building our beautiful home was creating a home to live in with a potential upside for investment in the future. Hi, my name is Qingzhe and I'm a real estate agent.
Hi, I'm Bernice. I specialize in risk management at a bank.
When it came to building our first home, we looked for a place that we could stay in for the foreseeable future with the added perk of selling it off as an investment. We engaged AC Vision as our interior designer and worked with Alan to build our first home. Alan was able to quickly understand our requirements and work within our budget to get our renovation done. He advised us to keep things nimble, building in only the necessary carpentry.
Alan's input was essential for us to overcome our challenges. He will often analyze and break down pros and cons of each design idea we proposed, even talking us out of some designs because they weren't practical. To us, he was a very fatherly figure that we could turn to for advice.
Thank you AC Vision and Alan for being a part of our journey to build our beautiful home.